Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are at Royal Blue and I don't know what we're doing today.
Honestly, we don't either. We're just gonna go wing it. When we get to a trail, we'll obviously say what trail it is, or at least on the map. And we've never been here. It's not actually Royal Blue. Royal Blue's on the opposite side of the highway.
We're at Stinking Creek.
But we're at the pet campground.
Yeah.
And then we're actually I can't think of what the heck the name of it is at the moment now. She had said it on this side, but anyways, it's still Royal Blue. It's just not it's all Royal Blue. It's just not technically Royal Blue because Royal Blue is on the other side. But anyways,
we're here with
might make it there.
Not only us, but Taven's sister.
We got a little one coming over.
A little one.
Come here, Caleb.
Say hi, Caleb.
Can you say hi?
Say hi to the camera.
This is not my little one.
Anyways,
he is our nephew. So he's going to be riding with his sister, and her husband's here, and Briar, their other son.
brother.
Is that better?
Anyways.
All right,
We'll
don't
see you guys
forget
later.
to like, subscribe, of course, and we'll see you on the trail. We're having issues with our windshield wiper pump for the fluid to come out, so
Gotta love something that's barely used and yet fails.
Taven fixed it. Somehow, some way, we are fixed. Yay! For now. Let's not jinx it. We're taking a detour to the waterfall by going up, what's it called? View?
Top of the world.
Top of the world. So it should connect to Walnut again. Can't really zoom in at all on a GoPro, but there's a top layer of mountains, then another layer, and then what's like right here. So just past that one is a whole other line of mountains in the distance. It's a really nice view up here. You like the view, Caleb? What? Monkey? There's a monkey down there? Really? So that was a beautiful view, and now we are heading back on track to the waterfall, I think. Yeah, what video camera? Huh. We're under video surveillance, apparently. Look how blue that water is.
You know, you can start searching for stuff. You wanna what? That's fucking cold.
Probably if I get down there.
It's a little sketchy. Somebody go.
Hey, Brennan, grab that kite. We'll start shaking it together.
Oh no! You guys are jerks! Hey, people that come here, freaking clean up after yourself. It's awful. I'm gonna pick it up, but geez. Look, there's another. Like seriously, what's wrong with humans? Not entirely sure what kind of snake that was. Oh, I see it. It's over there. Hang on. Snake went for a ride. Go on. Go on your butt. Don't go head first. That's not gonna work for you. You're gonna fall face first.
I know, it's gonna be awesome.
Dork. Alright guys, so that's where we're going to end this video. I hope you enjoyed the view and the waterfall, and I'll put up what the trails were as we went along.
It was a good time.
Yes. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked everything you saw today, and we will see you in our next video.